In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how to unbox and assemble your Core 2.0 from Pedal Electric. Attention! Do not use power tools during this installation. Use hand tools and ensure your bike is safe for the ride. Let's start with the unboxing. You'll receive your box sealed, secure, and ready for the build. Check the QR code on the side to access the build manual from your phone. Start by cutting both of the sides of the box with a razor blade, but carefully, so you don't damage any internal components. And this is how the Core is shipped to you. Inside, you will find 2 small boxes with accessories. One will contain your battery charger, toolkit, a bell, pedals, and hardware for installation. In the other small box, you will find the headlight that we are going to install at the end of the bike assembly. Continue unboxing by removing the foam and cutting the zip ties. For this step, be very careful when cutting so you don't damage any component. It is recommended to remove the battery before starting the assembly process, as this will lighten the bike and make handling easier. This is also a great opportunity to charge the battery before your first ride. Make sure the battery is fully charged and functioning properly before hitting the road. To remove the battery, simply use the keys provided to unlock and remove the battery. To charge your battery, plug the charging cable to the power outlet while cable is still disconnected from the battery. A green light will show you that is powered. Make sure your battery is off before connecting to the charger. Connect the cable, and if the light becomes red, it means the battery is charging. Your battery will be fully charged when the red light turns green again. Use the extra foam included in the box to hold your bike steady before installing the handlebars. To install the handlebars, start by removing all the screws on the stem. Before installation, make sure the control cables are not twisted. Twisted cables can cause issues later. The cables should sit side by side, as shown in the video, for proper control function. Reinstall the stem faceplate after positioning the handlebar in the center. Use the alignment marks on the bar as a guide. To secure your handlebar safely, tighten the screws in a cross pattern. This creates even pressure and better resistance. Once all screws are evenly tightened, double-check that the handlebar is centered and secure. Your front wheel comes pre-assembled with the disc brake. Attention! Always check the tightness of the disc brake bolts. This step is critical for your safety. After checking, turn your bike upside down to make the wheel installation easier. Remove the safety clip from the brake caliper, as well as the bar holding your forks in place. Install the wheel between the forks, making sure the disc rotor slides smoothly between the brake pads. Reinstall the bolts on both sides and use the 15mm wrench from your toolkit to tighten them securely. Next, remove the protective foam from the frame and forks. To install the left pedal, screw it into the crank arm counterclockwise by hand until snug. Once it gets firm, use the 15mm wrench to tighten it fully. Repeat the process for the right pedal, but this time screw it in clockwise. Start by hand, then tighten fully with the wrench. Turn the bike upright, resting on both wheels, and finish removing the protective wrap. Your bike is now ready for the next step. Your headlight is shipped with all hardware necessary for installation. Start by applying the rubber tape to the mounting hardware, as shown in the video. This prevents scratches on your forks during installation. Next, assemble both side mounts of the headlight. These will attach directly to the forks. Use a 10mm wrench and an Allen key to tighten the nut and screw, but leave them slightly loose for adjustment. On the bike, install each side of the mount onto the front fork. Connect the headlight cable to the main electrical harness, then secure the back plate of the mount. Once everything is aligned, use the 10mm wrench and Allen key to tighten all screws on the mounts and headlight. To install the front fender, Begin by removing the 2 Phillips screws from the bike lock. Then remove the longer screw from the triple tree to position the fender. Reinsert the screw to secure the fender using a 10mm wrench and an Allen key. Reinstall the bike lock by tightening the 2 Phillips screws back into place. Adjust and tighten your handlebar before your first ride. The handlebar should not be angled too far back or too far forward. Align it with the forks, or as close as possible, for the safest riding position. Finish by tightening the bolts firmly in a cross pattern.